So hello everyone. If you're here, please go to the Google Classroom. Right now I'm just looking at some emails from students. Chloe, Ellie sent theirs, they said. I got Angel's video. But most of them were not photos that photojournalists would take. They're photos that are going to enhance your photographic composition.
When you ask the question, please make sure that you refer to the sentence structure or question structure that we learned a few days ago.
Making sure that when you're writing your rough draft essay, that it follows the criteria. Anyone know?
Rough draft?
So yes, your rough draft is going to be in it. What else?
So let's look at some examples. So as you can see, very different from Worm's Eye. So it can be up to down, or it can even just be above. Okay, so more like this. From down to up, exactly, Olivia. Like this, cool. So, very, very cool pictures. Reflection. Reflection can be done with things like mirrors, sunglasses, clear glasses, computer screens.
Okay, hello UIS. I hope everyone is doing okay. I'm gonna interview everyone one by one here and ask you how your online experience is going. Okay, so first up, I'm going to interview Bella. Hi, Bella.
Hey, Mr. Wardell.
How are you doing these days?
I'm doing really good, and I'm not bored at all because I'm actually a bit of a homebody.
Oh, okay. I can understand that, right? More time for like hobbies and doing whatever. So how are you keeping up with your daily routine?
I'm trying to wake up as early as possible to just stay on schedule.
Huh. Okay, well, I think many people are waking up later than usual now.
No, I'm trying to wake up as early as possible.
Okay, great. Are you doing anything like after school or anything to keep your day regular?
I just started yoga.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Are you like?
That's the only thing I can do at home.
I know what you mean, right? I'm like,
Yeah.
Do I have enough floor space for yoga? I don't. My legs are too long, but that sounds fun. How are your online classes going?
Going well. I'm taking 2 courses this semester. I think 5 hours of lesson in total is like the maximum time I can concentrate looking at the screen. And my class is 5 hours, so I think it's going well.
Okay. What classes are you taking now?
So business leadership and HSP for you.
Oh yeah, I know those ones. I've heard business leadership is really good.
Yeah.
I don't know who teaches that. And so what do you think are the benefits of online classes?
Firstly, I think it's really comfortable learning. Like, you have the comfortable learning environment. You can stay at home and you can wear your pajamas. So I think it's comfortable.
I can wear my pajamas. Nobody told me. Oh, okay. Maybe from now on, I'll start doing that. Well, awesome. Do you have any other questions about like the online format, or is there anything that you think we could do better?
Maybe I think it would be better if you can see the recorded video afterwards, because sometimes the internet connection is not really good.
Right. Yeah, I've heard that. Some people have asked. I know that, people might be afraid that, if I can have access to the video, I can, I can not come to class. But I think if we record like the key parts of each class, I think that would
Yeah, just the key parts.
Yeah, for sure. Okay. Well, yeah, I'm glad you're doing well, Bella. Thank you very much. Okay, hi, Franda. Long time no see.
Yeah.
Same questions for you, Franda. How are you doing these days?
Not bad. Just feel bored sometimes.
So how are you keeping up with your daily routine with all the free time?
Oh, I think I kind of mess up my sleeping cycles, like go to bed in the early morning and wake up like kind of in the afternoon, like most people do, I believe.
Yeah. Yeah, I've heard a lot of students talking about that. I'm like, yep, I remember being, free schedule in like college and high school and doing the same thing. So how are your online classes going?
I think that's pretty good because we're not in the classroom anymore. Everyone have a laptop in front of themselves, so everyone can see the screen clearly and we can ask questions like when we have questions.
Yeah. So what do you think are the benefits of online classes? What's good about them?
Teacher is sharing the screen from time to time and we can like ask questions more freely because maybe sometimes you're in a crowd, like you're in the classroom, you're not confident enough to ask a question. But if you're in a virtual class like this, you're freely to ask.
Yeah, thank you so much, Franda.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Yeah, you too. So yeah, nice seeing you, Sungbin. How are you doing these days?
Everything's good. Actually, I went back to Korea and taking online classes nowadays, so that's good.
So about the classes, how many classes are you taking right now?
I take visual arts and advanced function 12, and I think that's quite good to take online classes. If I got a question, I can ask directly through like Skype chatting or Zoom chatting. And then I can review whenever I want using like Zoom or Skype. So everything's okay, I think.
Cool. Yeah, there's like a lot of ways to communicate with like teachers and stuff. Okay, well, yeah, thank you so much. It's nice talking to you.
Thank you.
Yeah, long time no see, Cherry. How are you doing these days?
Well, I think it's pretty good, and actually my life becomes more abundant and I have more time to do whatever I like, so for the hobby or something. Yeah.
Okay, nice. So you seem to be doing like better now.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. So you're taking data management. How is your online class going?
Well, it's pretty good. I think it is a good way for time saving, and it's also can improve our efficiency for classes. And I think for our online courses, and our teacher will recording the class, so it's very convenient for people who maybe this part they don't understand, and after the class they can watch again. Yeah.
Yeah, I do like that part, right? People kind of go their own pace, right?
Yeah.
So compared to the physical classroom, do you think there's any benefits to having it all online?
I think the biggest advantage for the online classes is time saving, because before the offline classes we need to take TTC to go to school, and it takes me 1 hour to go to school every day. So I think it's kind of waste time. So at home we can use this time to reading more books or review something. Yeah.
Great. All right. Yeah, thank you so much, Cherry.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Yeah, you too.